Hey, it's Annie. I'm going to give you my honest review of these cabinet strap locks. Now, the way I'm using it might be slightly different from what you have in mind. In my case, my cabinets on my working desk, for some reason, just want to keep opening, and every time I close it back in, it just bounces right back out. Maybe because I'm overstuffing my desk drawers, I don't know. And also, of course, I'm trying to keep the kiddos from getting in there. This is a really great solution for that. They're adjustable. You can even cut them down to size and make it work perfectly for you. It has a very strong adhesive. I haven't had any problem with it falling off. And you can adjust it even afterwards to a different notch, so that way it's the perfect size for your cabinet or your desk drawer. I'm also going to show you a second way I've used this. Now I have one of these Lazy Susan type cabinets in my kitchen, and it just bugs me so much because it's always being left open. And even when I do try to close it, it's always slightly a little bit open and annoying. So I'm using this to just keep it closed and make it look nice. And of course, keep little hands out of there if possible. And you can see from what I've done here, I actually did cut it down. So it's very small, but it's just right for my needs. I'm definitely giving this my recommendation. It's such a clever design, and it's been so helpful to have, keeping all of my drawers closed and neat looking.